Hi, this is Raksil and welcome to the another video. If you haven't already subscribed the channel, then please go ahead and prove that you are not a gay bot by subscribing the channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Congrats, now you are verified human. Now let's go and flash. Okay, you need to go to the Orange Fox recovery and you need to have installed unofficial Orange Fox, the latest. Okay, now look at the files. Before you flash the files, okay, these are the files: Derpfest, Android 12 and Android 11 firmware, and Android 12 disable force encryption. Now wipe Dalvik cache system vendor data. Swipe to wipe. Alright, now go back to the files, select Android 11 firmware and then add to queue and then select Derpfest. Now here you can swipe to install, but if your phone is not encrypted, then select add to queue, then select DFE, disable force encryption. Right, now once this installation is complete, just reboot your phone. But if you are encrypted user, then you need to format data, then reboot your device. Okay, and here the first boot up takes a few minutes. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes, so please be patient. Don't do anything while it's booting up. Okay, and here you can see the Derpfest boot animation logo and it looks really beautiful, right? Please give the feedback of my videos in the comment section below. Alright, thank you. Okay, so now we are going to start with the fingerprint FOD. The fingerprint is fast and smooth, right? Here you can see this is the simple setup of Android 12, and let's see the quick setting panels. These are the tiles you have. You have caffeine, compass, and you have screenshot partial mode, DC dimming, high brightness mode, right? High brightness mode, and this is great. You have Derpfest tiles in the quick setting panel. You can directly go to Derpfest customization settings. You have miscellaneous. You have the customization for your status bar. You have lots of customization here for your monet engine material hue, right? You have FOD screen animation, FOD animation effects, right? Let me select this smoke, screen off, and let's see. Okay, this animation is perfect and it's really smooth. The FOD is smooth, right? Let's go to our phone, Android version 12, and here you can see platform version is 12, that is Android version 12, right? Okay, and the security patch is February security patch, and you have Soviet Gulag, and that is the best performance kernel for OSS vendor based custom ROM. Okay, you have one-handed mode here you can use, and let's go to system and see gestures and keys. Right, here you have double tap on the screen, on the status bar to lock the screen, 3-finger screenshot, and it's working like a boss, right? And here you can see these are the game and space, right? You have the customization, and one you can take screenshot from recent, and you can use Google Lens to search in your internet, and you can lock the screen, and you can lock the recent application that is running in your background, right? Now once you lock here, you can't clear from your recent. You need to unlock, then you can clear the recent running applications, just like this, right? And now let's see the benchmark score. First, Antutu benchmark, and here 5.09213, that is the Antutu benchmark score. not a bad score, right? No Geekbench score history. Here you can see the single score is 745 and the multi-score is 2618. Right, that is a perfect good score. That is average performance score we get here. And in Play Store you get device is certified out of the box. That is a good thing to have in smartphone. And the safety net is passed without any problems here. And you can use free form here, just like this. Right, this is very useful features to do a multitasking at the same time. Right, now here let's see the DRM info. Security level wideband CDM, you have security level L1. That is a good thing. We need to have that security level so that we can watch video and play games. And you have game space. Here you have the customization for your gaming. You can turn off full screen event, right? Block. Right, this is the best custom ROM. If you are looking for a good gaming custom ROM, you can definitely try this custom ROM.
Watch out!
Okay, this is it, and thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, then please go ahead. For gratitude, subscribe the channel and like the button, turn on the notification, and peace out. Goodbye.